Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do exercise 6.1 of chapter number 6 Integers. We will start from question number 6, but before starting that one question, I will tell you what are the integers. Integers are the collection of numbers. It can be a positive numbers. Positive numbers in integers we call positive integers, and negative numbers also integers have. So negative numbers we call negative integer, and in between that 0 will come. Clear? So all these numbers are called integer. On the behalf of that, we will do question number 6 now. Question number 6 is, in each of the following pair, means there in every question two numbers are given. Which number is to the right of the other on the number line? If we make a number line, firstly we do A part, it's a 2 by 9. As you know that from 2 and 9, 9 is greater. So 9, the number which is a greater one from there, and 9 is a greater one. So which number will come in the right? The number to be right of other one, 9. So answer is 9. 9 will come right of 2. Clear? Now we do B part. B part is minus 3 upon minus 8. If you draw a number line, you know that which one is greater? Minus 3. You know na, in negative number, which is the smallest one will be considered biggest one. So which number will come in the right? Minus 3. Minus 3 will come in right. Clear to you? Now we do C part. From 0 and minus 1, which is greater one? 0. So 0 will come in right. Clear? Similarly, we do D part. Minus 11 and 10, which is greater one? 10. The number which is greater one, it always come in the right. So keep this thing in mind. So which number is to be right of other? 10 is to be right of the other number. Clear? You have to write this line. Clear? Now we do E part. In E part, minus 6 and 6, which is greater one? 6. So 6 is to be right. Means same line you will write from the question. 6 to be right of the other on the number line. Clear? Now we do F part. Which number is to be right of the other? 1 is to be right of the other. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 7 is, you have to write all the integers which come between the given pair. Means A part, firstly we do 0 and minus 7. Means you have to move left side. Clear? So before 0 what come? Minus 1. Then minus 2. Then minus 3. Then minus 4. Then minus 5. Minus 6. Clear? In B part, minus 4 and 4. Clear? We will start from 4. If we start, we go to the back side. So 3 come, then 2, then 1, then 0, then minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3. Clear? Now we will start from biggest number, from minus 8 and minus 15. Which one is biggest? Minus 8. So we start from minus 8. So firstly come minus 7, then come minus 8, then come 8 to minus 15 you have to go na, so we have to increase. So what number come? Minus 9 come, then come minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. Clear? In D part, all the numbers which come between 30, minus 30 to minus 23, it will be 24 only, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26, minus 27, minus 28, minus 29. This is the answer. Clear? Now we do question number 8. Question number 8 is you have to write 4 negative integers greater than. Greater, you know, from minus 20. Which number is greater? Minus 19 or minus 21? The number which is smallest one is be greater one. So A part answer is my smallest number you have to write. So minus 19 is greater than. Then minus 18. Then minus 17 and minus 16. Clear? B part, you have to tell 4 negative integer less than 10. Minus 10 means minus 10 less than is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. The question which we are doing today means 6 to 10. All the questions you have to do in the copy only. Only question number 9 we do in the book. Now question 9. For the following statement, write true and false. If the statement is false, you have to write the correct statement. A part, minus 8 is to be right of minus 10 on a number line. 8 minus 8 is, firstly tell me, greater or smallest? It is greater. So it will be in right only because always the greater one number come in right. So they are saying true. B part, minus 100 is to be right of minus 50 on the number line. So B part answer you have to do in the copy. It answer is false. Why? Because minus 100 is to be left of minus 50. Not in right, it should be on left on a number line. Clear? Now next one, C part, smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, minus 1 is not the smallest, it is the greatest negative integer. So C part answer we write here false, and you write C part answer is false. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. Clear? Now minus 26 is greater than minus 25. False. It is smaller. So D part answer you write minus 26 is in place of greater what come? Smaller. Clear? Now we do question number 10 now. Question number 10 is draw a number line and answer the following. A part, which number will we reach if we move 4 number to the right of minus 2? Minus 2 के right में if you go, you have to make a number line of it like this. Minus 2 you have to move to the right, you know, in the positive side we go. So you write 1, 2, 3 and there you put a arrow like this manner. Where you are going you have to put a arrow. So we reach which number? We have to reach on 2. So A part answer is 2. B, they said which number we will reach if we move 5 number to the left. So once you go, answer will be 4. Minus 4 is the answer. Clear? Now C part. C part is if we are at minus 8. Clear? On the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? Minus 8 and minus 13. means minus 8, you have to make a number line, make it 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this manner you have to make number line. 5, 6, 7, minus 8. Now you have to move to this side. This side is called left. To the left, you write to the left. Clear? Now we do D part. If we are at minus 6 and we have to reach to minus 1, means this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We have to go from minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we are moving? To the right. So the answer is to the right. Clear, students? So students, today we have done question number 6 to 10. And there we learn, if we move to the left, it means we are going to the negative integers. And in negative numbers, the number which is smaller one will be considered bigger one. And the number which is bigger one in the positive integers will be considered bigger one only. Clear? So I hope you understand. And keep one thing more in the mind, that the number which is greater one will always come in the right and the smaller numbers always come in the left. Clear? So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.